Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the May RoccaBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the May RoccaBox to see what goodies we have got in here, so let's just do that. If you are interested in this box, it is £15 per month. I'm sure we pay postage on top of that as well. My mind is just not working today, I do apologise. There's a link down below, give it a click, go and check it out, and I think that link gets you 20% off your first box as well, and I'm sure the longer you subscribe the cheaper it gets, but yeah, check that on out just to be on the safe side. But here is the box. Let's open her up and have a little sneaky peek. There we go. So we have the card here. We have to scan it to get the information on the products, but there is a quick sneak peek. And yeah, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button down there and come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. But let's get digging in here to see exactly what we've got. Quickly looking at the edit card, it says that this edit is called Hair and Skin Heroes and it has a value of £65. So the first product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Paul Yocomine. I hope I've said that correctly. And basically this is a perfume hair oil in bergamot. It's a full size and this has a value of £30. It is a luxurious perfume oil which is infused with bergamot, rose and ylang ylang, the ultimate finishing touch for beautiful looking and smelling hair. So it just says here how to use. Spray from an arm's length onto your head. Apply to your body and pulse points as you would with a regular perfume. You'll turn heads at every angle. Okay, and it also says just be careful with it being an oil, it may stain clothes. Well, I'm off to work, but let's spray some in my hair before I go and get nice smelling hair for work. That certainly smells gorgeous. It's a strong scent, very pretty. That's lovely, that's really nice. Oh yeah, I'm going to use that on the daily till it's all gone. That's beautiful. That's very nice. Second product in the box we have is this. This is by the brand Zelens and it is a Shiseido Balm Cleanser. Again, a full-size product. It has a value of £17. A moisturising liquid cleanser balm formulated to gently yet thoroughly cleanse the skin to remove makeup. Enriched with shiso, which is Japanese mint. This daily cleanser transforms into a light milk when mixed with water to purify the skin without stealing away its natural moisture. Helps to achieve a radiant, smooth complexion. That sounds lovely. If it works like that, that would be absolutely amazing. In addition, it's soap-free, oh my god, somebody please help, I am not okay. Dermatologist and suitable for all skin types. I feel that was way harder to say than what it was supposed to have been, but I just did a night shift last night. I'm going to do another one in a minute, so please excuse me, but this is what it looks like. There's 30 mils in here, which is the full size. I'm going to leave that sealed because I would like to use that nice and fresh. Quite liquidy in there. I mean, yeah, it sounds great. If it can do what it says on the tin, I'll be impressed. So the third item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Naughty and it is the Saviour Lip Balm, full size at £4. A true lip saviour, a non-greasy, swiftly absorbing lip balm that leaves your lips soft, smooth and shielded. It's the ultimate go-to for intense lip care, perfect for keeping in your bag for on-the-go relief. So you just slick it on your lips whenever they need a boost of hydration. I mean, sounds good. A lip balm's a lip balm at the end of the day. Nice and affordable at £4. I wouldn't open this, but yeah, let's just do it. Oh, so there it is there. I put it on my lips, but I've already got something on my lips. I mean, that feels nice, actually. That feels really light. Yeah, I will actually have to try that on the lips to see exactly what it's like. So far, so good. I don't think I can smell anything. My nose isn't working properly at the minute though, so I don't know. I don't think it has a scent. Correct me if I'm wrong, please do. So next on the card, it just says you're also going to get one of two Naughty Hero body products, both containing the hero products of sweet almond oil and sea buckthorn. So you're either going to get the Hero body wash, full size product worth £8, so it's a body wash, you wash yourself with it, funny enough. And the other one is going to be a body yogurt, full size, exactly the same price, valued at £8.50. And yeah, it's just a creamy body moisturizer, which also sounds nice. The one I've got in my box is this one. So I have the body wash. Starting the day with a moisturising, non-foaming body wash is an easy way to take care of your skin. It works hard to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. Gently massage onto wet skin and rinse off. It's as easy as that. I have had loads of these before, and yeah, it's nice to use. It's not fantastic, it's not fabulous, it's a body wash. It smells beautiful as well. Yeah, it is beautiful on the skin. It's just, I don't know, I'm happy to get it. Very happy to get this over the body moisturizer, if I'm honest, so that's a plus. I don't know, it's a body wash. Final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Invisibobble, and it is a slim bobble, full size, has a value of £5.99. This is a true beauty innovation. This spiral elastic provides extra support thanks to reduced space between each spiral. We love that it doesn't damage the hair, doesn't leave unsightly marks thanks to its shape, and distributes pressure evenly to prevent headaches. Used to tie up your hair whenever you please. So yeah, it's a bubble at the end of the day. So I'm not going to open this up because I don't know, am I going to keep this myself? Am I not? I don't know. But lovely pink colour, and there's a set of 3 in here, which is quite nice. No, I'm gonna leave these sealed because I think I have a person, if I decide not to use these myself, I have a person in mind that I'm going to gift these to. But the colour of this is Bella Rose Galaxy. Oh, I mean, it is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, am I going to use this myself? I probably am, you know. I might give them away. I'm probably going to keep them. Who knows? Who knows? Keep you guessing. Right, guys, so this is the May RoccaBox. This is the Hair and Skin Heroes edit. What do you think? Valued at £65. Personally, I think it's a very nice, sweet box. I think they could have done better as well, if I'm honest. But overall, it's not bad. I do feel like I've got my money's worth, which is the whole point of getting these boxes. And anyway, but let's just have a quick recap on what's what. So we have a hair oil perfume, which smells divine, really, really nice. I'm still smelling it on my hair there, and it's gorgeous. We have a cleanser, a face cleanser, which again is nice. It's from a brand I've never heard of before, but I like discovering new brands. We have a lip balm. I'm not truly excited about that, if I am honest. I have 1 trillion lip balms in my drawer, and yeah, it's a lip balm. We have a body wash, and I've had 3 or 4, possibly 5 or 6 of these body washes by this brand, so it's, to me, it's like, yay, yet another one. I don't know, I'm just not excited about it. It's nice, it's really nice to use, but yeah. And then we have Invisibobbles. So I don't know, I mean, I don't know. I've never really got on with them type of bubbles, although it's not for lack of trying. I do keep trying every now and then to see if I change my mind. But why put them in a box when some women have really short hair and don't use bubbles? That's what I don't get. But yeah, I will probably gift them. Might try them out again. I don't know. I'm a bit stumped on the box. As I say, overall it's good, but it's not something I'm excited about. So I feel a bit deflated. But the most important thing is, what do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.